Ever wonder what $20,000 feels like, between your legs? Not a suit. Not a watch. A machine that rumbles with power and whispers luxury in every rev. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a statement on wheels. Today, you're not just watching, you're riding. Strap in. You're about to feel what it's like to ride a $20,000 dream machine, and by the end, you'll want to trade in your couch for a key. The dream ignites. Before you twist the throttle, there's a moment that's stillness before power. It's the first time you see it, parked there like a sculpture from the future, sleek, aggressive, unapologetically bold. You don't just admire it, you imagine your life with it. This isn't just a machine. It's a mirror reflecting the version of you that doesn't settle, that version who knows success isn't quiet. It roars. But dreaming is easy. The real moment comes when the engine breathes to life. The first ignition. You press the start, the growl is instant, like a lion waking from a nap. You feel it in your chest, not your ears. It doesn't ask for attention. It demands it. The seat hugs you, the dash lights up like a fighter jet. Traction control. Ride modes. Tire pressure. This is no toy, this is precision engineering born from obsession. You twist the throttle. Just a little. And that's when everything changes. The first launch. You launch. 0 to 60 feels like a time warp. No delay. No hesitation. Just immediate, explosive acceleration. You're flying, but still in control. Everything around you blurs. But inside the helmet, it's clarity. You're not thinking about bills. Or meetings. Or expectations. You're thinking about nothing, and that's the point. You finally arrived in the present. But wait. This isn't even the best part. You haven't taken your hands off the brakes yet. Own the road. The road starts winding. This is where $20,000 shows up. The suspension reads the road like Braille. Each curve? A love letter written in asphalt. You lean, you trust, you become the bike. Every input is precise. Throttle. Brake. Wait. You're not fighting the machine, you're dancing with it. Then, the world opens up. And you hit the freeway. That's when luxury becomes limitless. Luxury unleashed. On a $20,000 bike, even the freeway feels like first-class adaptive cruise control. Heated grips, seat designed like a leather throne. Other bikes vibrate. This one glides. You're passing cars like they're parked, and yet, inside, you're calm and focused, free. It's not about speed. It's about effortless domination. But it's not just how it rides. It's how people see you riding it. Status on two wheels. You don't need to say a word, the bike says it all. At the stoplight? They stare. At the gas station? They ask, is that yours? You nod, and for that moment, you're the main character in their movie. This is wealth that moves, not parked in a garage, but roaring through life. But then, something hits you. It's not just about power or status. It's something deeper. Inner transformation. It's quiet now, the ride stretches long into the horizon. Just you, and the road, that $20,000, it bought more than a machine. It bought clarity. A reminder that your time is yours, that chasing freedom is never foolish. It's the only thing that makes sense. That you're not just a rider anymore. You're a creator. Of moments. Of lifestyle. Of legacy. And just when you think this ride has given you everything, it gives you one final surprise. The secret of the $20,000 ride. Here's the truth they won't tell you. The real power of a $20,000 bike isn't in the engine. It's in what it pulls out of you. Discipline. Confidence. Fire. You start walking taller. Thinking bigger. Living louder. Because if you can ride something this beautiful, you can build a life just as wild. Final ride. This ride? It's not the end. It's the invitation. To trade routine for thrill. Comfort for confidence. Ordinary for unforgettable. And if you've ever wondered if this lifestyle is for you, then ask yourself, What's stopping you from riding into the life you know you were meant for? Because in the next video, we're taking it further, faster, and we're revealing the exact bikes worth every dollar of your first $20,000. Ready to ride into the life you deserve? Subscribe now. Next episode drops soon.